Listen, I'm going to tell you something you already know. Life, it ain't all sunshine and rainbows. I don't care how tough you are. Me, you, ain't nobody going to hit harder than life. And it'll knock you down to your knees and keep you there if you let it. But you can't go around blaming your problems on other people, pointing your finger at him and her. That's what losers do. And that ain't you. You're better than that. I don't know, man. Sometimes I just don't know.
'Today was gonna be the day, but they'll never throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. And I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart went out. Well, I know you heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. And I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. All the roads that led the way were winding, and all the lights that lit the way were blinding. And there are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. So maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonder wall. Oh, wow.
I don't know, man. Sometimes I just don't know. How you doing? Yeah, that's right. Paulie. Paulie is my name. I mean, Paul is my name. But around here in the neighborhood, they call me Paulie. I think it's an Italian thing. I don't know. Anyway, Italians. You know, in Minnesota, they call us Italians. Oh yeah, those Italians came up to Bina. Italians. What country are Italians from? Italy? I don't know. I've learned a thing or two around here. You know, I ain't no spring chicken. But yeah. So anyway, what are we gonna do, you guys? mean, yeah. What are we going to do? Anyway, just thought I'd stop in and say hello and introduce myself. Paulie. And now, on with the show. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Michael Lyons and Emily Aubrey. Hey, yo, I did it. How was that?
Oh, that was great.
Okay.
Got your coffee. Are we ever going to go live again
Yeah, I think so.
today?
I don't know. Probably not.
Why not?
I need to clean up this house.
This is your one day off, and you're going to spend it cleaning up the house?
Yeah.
Hey, everybody! BOOZHOO! Kakina Awia! Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the show. My name is Emily Aubrey. This over here, Hoa, this is Michael Lyons. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Michael Lyons. Hey, everyone, how you doing? And today, okay, this is going to be weird if you look at yourself the whole time.
Where should I look?
Maybe just in the camera.
That's why I don't want to go live.
What?
I don't know. Too many things to think about. My hair's too greasy to be on camera.
It sure is. Let's just do me.
All right.
Take two. Take two. Check, check, check. Oh, you know what we could do? No, never mind. Take two, take two. BOOZHOO! Kakina Awia! Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Emily Aubrey Nindijanikas. Emily Aubrey Nindijanikas. Emily Aubrey is my name. Emily. And over here, Hoa.
Shut up.
This is Michael Lyons. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Michael Lyons. Say hello, Michael Lyons.
Hello, Michael Lyons.
That's not what I meant. And today, our OJIBWE word of the day. What should be our OJIBWE word of the day today? Nee weenie Moshe, my sweetheart.
I don't know. What do you want to? How about waboos?
Waboos. Rabbit. And how do you say rabbits?
Waboozhoog.
Waboozhoog. Our rabbits. And we have a rabbit right up there.
Yeah, we sure do.
You want to see our rabbit?
Okay, if we go though, we can't use this microphone anymore.
Oh, we're just going to use the camera microphone?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
La-dee-dum. Oh, go. There's a guitar. BOOZHOO, Niji. Waboozhoog. Is that going to work? Or am I just I'm just a silhouette here. Maybe that wasn't a great idea.
Come on, feel the noise. Girls, right. Let's go see bugs. All right. Bagheera! He's getting away! BOOZHOO! That's Bagheera. Our kitty cat's called Bagheera. And what can I say here? Oh, it's gonna be nice today. Yeah. Hey, bugs. Oh. Maybe you should just sing a song. Yeah, I'm gonna record a song. Ladies and gentlemen, here's a song. Do you want me to introduce a song? Sure. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Michael Lyons. No, that's stupid. Okay. Maybe we should film something in the bedroom. No, it's not. Hey, where's my earring? Oh yeah, I haven't put it back on yet, have I? What did I do with it? All right, let's call this good. All right. Hey, miigwech, gonna wabi egg. Miigwech, gonna wabi egg. Thank you for watching. Dush, miigwech, bizendawi egg. Bizendawi egg. Miigwech, bizendawi egg. Thank you for listening. And I will see you again. Giga wabamin, minawa. Hoa. Hoa. No.
Won't you come see about me? I'll be alone dancing, you know it, baby. Tell me your troubles and doubts, giving me everything inside and out, and love's strange, so real in the dark. Think of the tender things that we were working on. Slow change may pull us apart, put us back together at heart, baby. Don't you forget about me. No, 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 don't you forget about me. And will you recognize me? Look my way, don't walk on by. Rain keeps falling down, 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 down. Will you stand above me? Look my way, but never love me. Rain keeps falling down, 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 down. Hey, yeah, yeah.